Hello, my name is Raul Dominguez, and today I will be talking about my major, mechatronics engineer. After looking for trends and graphs about my career, I understood that about a half of the employers of mechatronics engineers look for people between 20 and 29 years old, and only a small fraction of them look for people between 40 and 59 years old. I also found out that the mechatronics engineer salary has been growing continuously since the year 2004, but that in the state of Michoacan, only a small portion of the universities have mechatronics engineering as one of their majors, among them in TESM Campus Morelia. From this graph, I also found out that the state that has more institutions that teach mechatronics engineering in Mexico is Mexico's state, with more than 12 universities teaching this major, nearly 4 times as more than in Michoacan. Another fact that I found out is that about 89% of the mechatronics engineers are actually working, and the ones that are working have an average salary of 15,000 pesos. In the last years, mechatronics has become one of the most required majors in Mexico. More than a fourth of the mechatronics engineers have at least an informal job, but more than a half of these engineers have a formal job. Another interesting fact is that only a small fraction of the mechatronics engineers have two jobs. And from these graphs, I also found out that less than the 25% of the mechatronics engineers have a salary of 16, 6,000 pesos, which is less than the average professionals, but more than the 32% of the mechatronics engineers have a salary bigger than the average. In this major, only a small percentage of the people that study this major are girls. More than the 90% of the students of this major are men. Summarizing all of these facts that I've just mentioned, I can conclude that mechatronics is a career that has a lot of future, and that even if you're not one of the best ones at this career, you will probably find a job that is well paid. That's all I have to say. Thank you.